So I got some more plywood, as you can see. I get to finish this project that I'll show off a little bit later. People that know me very well will be a little surprised to see a MacBook sitting in such dusty conditions. This gets covered in sawdust. It's great. And I don't care. Anyway, we're going to do this dance. Carve, confirm, secure, bit size, 0, confirm position, clip is attached, contact, plate, place, probe. There you go. Remove. See, probe is put away. We're doing a very close to the edge cut here because I need about 15 inches, and that's about how much room I've got. So it's going to be a tight one. So don't use last XY0 because that would just end up putting me somewhere else. And then spindle on. There you go.